So today's topic is why relationships don't last. Now, this is just from our perspective. Basically, we're just gonna try telling them what we think, you know, why your relationship now work out. And they can take it or leave it, but this is some general topics, general ideas why relationships don't work out. First, I want to start off with the trust issues. Trust issues is the biggest, in my opinion, deal breaker for relationships. If you don't trust a person, it's not gonna work out. And it's not easy to trust somebody. It never is, really.
Who are you texting? Who are you texting?
Huh?
Who are you texting?
None of your business?
It is my business.
No.
Yes, who are you
None of your
texting?
business. Last time I checked.
Can you tell me who you're texting?
Don't touch my shirt, don't groans me like that.
I can touch you. You like
understand me.
You?
Hello, understand me I try to say.
Tell me, don't talk to me
You
like
need
that.
to,
You
need to take it down one more step. One more now.
texting.
Take it down one more, then talk to me properly.
Right, hold on. Who are you texting?
Hold the block. Box me again. Box me again.
What? What you gonna do? Tell me who you're texting.
Head up. No. You can't take it no more.
When you're in a relationship, you have to compromise a lot. That's one thing I don't like to do.
You ready to just go down for me?
No, I'll go down on you after you go down on me.
No, no work so.
Yeah.
Listen, in Jamaican terms, you just go down and you just keep it that way.
In South America, Colombia terms, the guy goes down.
No. Put back your leg, put back. No, me no play so. Me no play. Stop it.
What
Stop
do you
it.
mean no play?
Understand where me come from. We not do them something.
Let's
go down for me a quick. So why you have to switch up? No, matter of fact, you know what?
Come on.
Hear what I'm saying to you. But better you just get up and just call it quit because nah work.
Fine,
Me not gonna
I don't do this either. Fine.
I don't know why, but you girls just have these unrealistic expectations for these relationships. I don't know if it's the Disney movies, the fairy tales that just brainwash you guys from an early age where you expect all these glamorous things and you expect the guy to do this and me for do that. A relationship takes a lot of work. It's not gonna be all glitz and glamour. You know, just because you see this happening to somebody or just because you see this in the movies, it's not. No, unrealistic expectation definitely destroys a relationship. You need to understand say, and that's everything will go work out. You see me, I say everything not gonna be easy. Some things are gonna be hard, some things are gonna be easy. You have to go through the storm to see the sunlight.
Baby, we need to talk. I think that there's something wrong.
What?
I don't know. You know, you still haven't gave me a big ring with a huge rock on this finger. My friend, her boyfriend buys her cars all the time. I showed you the Audi that I wanted and you're not getting me anything.
You know how hard I work for my paycheck?
I have to. Queen.
I have to.
King is supposed to.
You know what do you know what I do? I move horse shit from stable to stable.
You move horse shit to treat the queen.
When?
And you buy her an Audi.
You go look at a man who can't afford an Audi. I can't afford
nothing. A big house.
You know what I drive? You know, alright, shut up. Do you know what I drive? Do you know what I drive?
This is not what.
I drive something called a Lauda. You know what a Lauda is? A piece of shit broke down car will soon pop up on the road. Understand that?
You need to give me everything I want because all my friends get everything they want.
Alright, I'm gonna stop you in your tracks right now. Stop. Stop there right there, so. You're just temporary to me find something permanent. Understand that? Do you understand that? A, B, C, T.
That's how you know you have a good girl, and that's how you know you have a good boyfriend. If him stay with you when you die at bottom, pause on the bottom, we know you're not a bottom thing. But if him dead there with you, through the rough patches, you know, are the right person not for you. Another thing is being defensive. Just getting defensive for no reason. Like, if I ask you a simple question or if she asks me a simple question, I'm like, yo, why you asking me that? Like, why you try to check me right now? Nobody try to check me. You know what I say? Me, I need to start, go. Nobody try to come check me. And I'm mother.
Yo, later here.
Where are you going?
The last time I checked, you're not my mother.
The last time I checked, I'm your girlfriend.
Why you ask me them question?
Why do I give you this?
First of all, I don't care if you give me that. I can get it elsewhere.
Last time I checked, you come every night for this.
Because guess what? It's called easy access.
It's called you pay for my stuff.
What you say, whatever?
You pay for my stuff.
I don't pay for shit.
You pay for everything.
It's called a credit card.
It's called you have to pay for it after.
Well, we're gonna pay for tomorrow, and the other day you can pay for it.
Yeah, relationships are tough, man. If you have any, you know, if we missed out on any, which I'm sure we missed out on a lot, you know, leave it in the comment what you think are some relationship breakers in your mind. Let me know what you think. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up. And if you know anybody that is going through this stuff, you know, go ahead and share it on their wall, or tweet it to them, or mail it to them, email it to them, FedEx it to them. You know, and let them know that we said in Agasa. My doggy won. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because we love our subscribers. We love to subscribe. We love to subscribe. Big up the Yardie now. Big up the Yardie family. You see me I say.